What's good, guys? It's Sama FX here again. So, this was my trade on Wednesday, and this is the first trade I'm using to start the challenge. So this was a 16 pip trade, a little bit above the bar. So that was why I used 0.2 in my lot. So I factored that in. So now there is something I'm beginning to notice. When there is a 60 pip retracement under 1 hour, not 50 now, 60 pip retracement, let's say, because this trade happened the previous day, which was Tuesday, the market kissed around the 60 pip, and now today the gap in the 1 day was just so small, and this happened to be the 60 pip, and this market tanked down, and it was a success. I didn't want to put in the whole chart because this 1 minute is so big. So I believe we are seeing the 11. This is 1:11. So this is a huge way. Now this is the first trade of the 20 trade challenge, and we are already in 11. That means, we just have to win one more trade and we are break even. So yeah, so that's just it, and this was a success. We thank God for that. Peace out. What's good, guys? So today is Friday. This is the second trade that I took in the challenge. So this trade failed simply because we failed to break this low. Now technically this is a high, this is a low, this is a higher high. This shows that this market is still bullish. Now why did I enter this market? I entered because I saw this BVN here, but when this thing happened, this green candle, the last green candle, I don't know, I can't pinpoint it right now, should touch below this. This shows that the bullish candle that initiated this movement has been broken. This shows the presence of sellers in the market. And even following Bystrat strategy is high, low, higher high. There should be a low. There should be a low here. Another thing, and this candle did not break this low. I think that was why this trade failed. Another thing was this was a 50 pip fib. So market was still reacting on this 50 fib level. And third reason why I think this trade failed, this is still the London session. It is still the London session. So the market still has a lot of way to go. So I think these are the few reasons why this trade failed. This was the third trade for the challenge. So this trade I messed up. Yes, I messed up on this one. Reason being that, yes, there was a BVN. Sorry, let me do this. There was a BVN at this point, fine. I entered this trade, but I exited manually, something I should not do. The rule is fight till death. So I broke that law. I exited manually while the market came around and still danced around. Well, this is the third trade, I'm coming to that. But this second trade, I exited manually before I was taken out. Now this is a high, this is a low, this is a higher high. Market came here, broke this low. So I should have respected that. So yeah, I felt in that regard, I really felt woefully in that regard. So this loss, I caused it myself. So this is a third trade, and that was it. Peace out. What's good, guys? It's Sama FX here again. So this is my fourth trade for the challenge, 20 trade challenge. I messed up on this. Like, man, I messed up. I lost almost 1:3 as risk on this trade because I scaled in and it bounced. So after, at the end of the day, the SL was also hit. So this was still under the. I entered this trade. in the London session, but I should, in short, this trade was in the London session because this is 11:30. So yes, the 60 fib was hit, but it is still under the London session. So, and this was what happened. So after every I lost a lot, man. I lost like 1:3 on this. And this was wrong because the previous trade, I think I was emotional here. The previous trade, I exited on my own rather than letting the market hit me out. So where the market would have hit me out would have been at this point. At this point, that is around 3 p.m. And I would have recovered with this. I would have recovered with this because I would have known, okay, fine. Now the market is trying to go up. I would have recovered fully with this. So yeah, it's one of those things. Yeah, this out. What's good, guys? So this is my 5th trade for the challenge, and this trade took place around. It took place around 4. Yeah, it took place around 4, very late. So the trade moved for about 1:1.7, and I hesitated because of time. I was looking at the time and also the structure. So yeah, this is the 5th trade and nothing much, but the most important thing that happened, which I'm beginning to notice consistently, was that this 60 fib was still the point where the market reversed. Not the 50, the 60. Second thing, this was during the New York session. So these are the 2 points. We had a BVN, although one of the things that discourages me from New York trades are the SLs. The SLs are always big. It's just one of the turn-offs I have when it comes to taking trades in the New York session. But other than that, they always move into profits. Some of them though, you never can tell. So yeah, this was it. Nothing more, just 1.74. Just almost 1:2. Yeah, that was it. Peace out.